Good day everyone. So dito naman tayo sa part 4, ang file sharing. So first is server manager. Punta po tayo sa server manager. Click po natin yung roles. And then itong add roles. Next po natin. And then install po natin tong si file services. So check po natin itong distributed file system, file server resource manager, service for network file system, and last yung Windows search service. So next. So sa credentials, kailangan po natin mag-select ng isang admin account. So meron po akong ginawang ganito. Wait lang. Active Directory. Ayan, tupt.com. And then password is tup.gig123. Ayan, after po nun ma-select yung user account, next lang po natin. And then sa storage monitoring is check po natin tong local disk. Next, ganoon din po sa volume to index. Click po natin local disk, then next, and then for confirmation, ayan po, and then last is install. So hintayin lang po natin. So while waiting, pwede na po tayong pumunta sa File Explorer, and then sa computer, local disk, mag-create po tayo dito ng mga folders. Ito po ang academic departments, administrative departments, university public, and installer. So to do that, right click, new folder, and then academic departments. Right click, new, then folder is rename administrative departments. Next is yung university public. University public. And last po is yung installer. The name installer. So, sa loob po ng academic departments is meron po tayong 4 na subfolders. And simulan na po natin, BS Engineering Program. New BS Degree Program. VTED Program. And last is CBET Program. Balik po sa local disk, sa administrative departments naman po is may mga subfolders din po siya. Create new folder, Registrar Office, Registrar Office. Oops. Hindi. Next po is yung Director's Office. So, gagawin ko na po siya. So, ayan, after po nun is proceed po tayo sa pag-add ng quota. So, check po natin kung na-install na po yung ating file services, and ayan, successful po siya, and kailangan lang po is restart. So, restart po natin, and then wait po natin na ma-restart. After po nito is magpo-proceed po tayo sa pag-add ng quota. So, ayan, na-install na natin yung file services after ma-reboot. And dito naman tayo sa pag-add ng quota. To do that, go to Start, search for File, Services, Resource Manager. And then, dito sa may quota management, quota template, dito makikita natin yung create quota template. So, bigyan natin siya ng pangalan na 1 gig. And then, dito sa may limit, change natin to into gig. And bigyan natin siya ng 1. So, after nun, click add. And then, so, hindi natin siya ma-okay. So, to do that, search natin yung resolution. Adjust screen resolution. And then, pilitan natin yung resolution into higher para mas maging maliit. Yan. And then, after nun, ayan, makikita natin yung okay. Click natin yung okay. And then, yan, okay. So, na-add na natin siya. So, yung next naman is magagawa na tayo ng provision share sa academic departments as well as administrative department. Para magawa yun, punta tayo sa server manager. And then, ito. And then, sa may file services and share and storage management, click natin itong provision share. Provision share. And then, i-browse natin yung location ng academic departments na folder na ginawa natin kanina. And then, click natin yung next. Sa may share protocols, i-check natin si SMB and then si NFS. Sa may SMB permission is i-select natin yung users and group of custom share permission. Click natin tong permissions. I-remove natin si everyone and then mag-add tayo. Sa may object types is palitan natin to, i-modify natin. Check lang natin si computer and the rest is uncheck. Click OK and then i-add natin yung ACAD na computer object name. After that is okay. So, balik tayo sa may Active Directory, users and computer. And then sa may academic departments, and create tayo dito ng bago na computer. And then, search natin is ACAD. Ayan. Okay. So, gawan din natin ng computer yung sa administrative department. Click new computer and then admin. So, balik tayo sa dito sa may permission for academic departments. Click natin yung okay. And then, ang gagawin natin is, babaguhin natin yung permission niya. Check natin si change, tsaka si read. And then, after that, click apply, and then okay. So, after nun, click next. And then, dito sa may quota policy is apply natin siya ng quota. Meron siyang 1 gig na limit. And then, ayun, after nun is i-confirm na lang natin and then close. So, sa pangalawa naman is gagawin din natin ng provision share yung administrative departments. And una, browse natin yung location ng administrative department. Click OK. And then, click next. And then, next. Check natin yung SMB as well as NFS. And then, sa may SMB permission, users and groups have custom share permission. Remove and then add. Object types is computer only. The rest is unchecked. After nun, nilagay natin yung computer ng admin, which is admin. Click OK. And then, change the permission. Check the change and read. Click apply. OK. And then, next is sa may quota policy, apply quota. And then, 1 gig limit. Next. Create. And then, ayun, nakapag-create na tayo para sa administrative departments ng provision share. So, for the rest, gagawin ko na lang siya and probably ipa-fast forward ko na lang. So, bago ako mag-create ng provision share para sa mga subfolders ng academic and administrative departments, proceed muna tayo dito sa pag-create ng new file screen template. So, to do that, go to File, Server, Resource Manager. And then, ito sa may file screening management, dito sa may file screen template, create natin yung create tayo ng file screen template, and then name it as office file only, office files only. And then sa may file groups is i-select natin lahat. Except sa office files. And then after nun is click OK. And then, ayun, nakapag-create na tayo ng panibagong file screen template. Kailangan natin yan mamaya para sa pag-create ng ating mga subfolders ng academic and administrative departments. So, balik na tayo sa Active sa may paggawa ng provision share. And click natin to, provision share. Then, click browse. Go to academic departments. Halimbawa itong BET. Click OK. Click next. And then next. Check natin to si SMB. Ayon dito. And sa may SMB permission is users have ito yung pipindutin natin. Click natin yung permission button. And then remove natin. Remove natin. Mag-add tayo ng bago. Bago yon is palitan natin yung object types. And i-check muna natin si computers only. Click OK. And then type PET. Okay. Yan, okay. And then, i-add din natin si ACAD. Sa permission is kailangan is naka change and read, and then ganoon din sa BET, change and read. Click apply, click OK, and then click next. Apply quota, lalagyan natin siya ng 1 gig limit, and then click natin ito yes. Apply file screen, and click natin yung office file only. Click next, then create. So, nakapag-create na tayo, and ayun, gagawin ko lang din sa iba, and fast forward ko na lang. So, after natin ma-create yung mga subfolders and yung provision share sa bawat subfolders, gagawin naman natin ng provision share yung university public. So, to do that, click this provision share, and then go to select this browse, locate the folder location of university public. Ito, then click OK. Click next, click natin itong SMB as well as si NFS. So, sa may SMB permission is nakaselect yung third option, itong administrators have full control. Click next, and then next. Sa may quota policy is meron siyang 1 gig of limit. And then, sa my file screen is office files only lang yung pwede. Click next, create, and then close. Lastly is yung installer folder, and create din natin siya. Browse natin para sa installer na folder, click next, and then check natin si SMB, and then NFS, click next, and then check natin tong administrator sa full control, yung pangalawang option, click next, apply quota, 1 gig of limit, and then next, apply file screen, and then is itong office files only. So, after nun, makreate, ayun, yung sa part 4, which is yung file sharing. Thank you.